The evolution of information models in AEC. The architecture, engineering, construction and operations (AECO) sector has always relied on the communication, or the exchange, of information and knowledge, to facilitate collaboration and decision-making to get anything built, from the very first time two people decided to work together to build something. Throughout history, various forms of communication and representations of information have existed, as information models, to help organize and understand complex things. These have evolved and adapted through advancements in information communications technologies, transforming the way professionals work together to plan, design, construct, maintain, and operate buildings and infrastructure. The main point, however, is that information models are nothing new. They have always existed. What is an information model? An information model is a representation of concepts, relationships, constraints, rules, and operations applied to data or information management. It provides a structure for organizing and understanding complex information. While digital information models have become prevalent in modern times, information models can also exist in non-digital or analog forms, such as letters, books, reports, diagrams, charts, or other representations of information. The evolution of information models in AECO. We'll discuss below a non-exhaustive list of methods of communication of information or knowledge, or the exchange of information models. Most of these are still being used in some form today, although newer, digital, methods or technologies provide more efficiency in exchange, reuse, analytics, storage, etc., than earlier, analog, methods. 1. Verbal instructions. In the early days of construction, verbal communication played a crucial role in exchanging ideas, instructions, and information about projects. This basic and primitive form of information exchange provides the foundation for more advanced information models. 2. Written instructions. As writing systems developed, written instructions became a more formalized and lasting means of communication in AECO, enabling better documentation and more efficient information sharing. 3. Drawings, specifications, schedules. The invention of drafting tools and techniques allowed for more detailed and accurate visual representation of structures and their components. These graphical representations served as a common language for architects, engineers, and builders, creating a standardized information model to facilitate collaboration. These are augmented by detailed descriptions of performance or prescription of materials and components, specifications, and tables or listings of key information, schedules. Collectively, this set of information, or information model, attempts to fully describe a building or piece of infrastructure, to be built, maintained and operated. 4. CAD, computer-aided design. With the advent of computers, the AECO sector embraced digital tools for creating and editing drawings, resulting in more efficient and precise design processes. CAD systems introduced a new form of the information model, offering more versatility and adaptability in representing design information, in both 2 dimensions, orthographic projections, or 3 dimensions. 5. Databases and analytical systems. These technologies enable the efficient storage, management, and analysis of large amounts of structured data, using data models to define the relationships and constraints among various data elements. 6. Geographical Information Systems, GIS. This technology integrates spatial data with attribute data, enabling the visualization, analysis, and management of geospatial information, such as topography, land use, and infrastructure. 7. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and PLM, Product Lifecycle Management Systems. ERP and PLM systems utilize information models to manage data from various business functions and product lifecycle stages. These integrate diverse sources of information and streamlining collaboration among different stakeholders. 8. Cloud infrastructure. While not directly an information model, cloud infrastructure enables easy sharing, storage, processing, and management of data and information using various information models and technologies, making it easier to collaborate and access information from anywhere. 9. BIM, Building Information Modeling. BIM is simply an information model for buildings of infrastructure, as opposed to something else, a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building or infrastructure. This technology integrates various aspects of a project, including design, construction, and facility management, into a digital model, enabling more efficient communication and coordination among stakeholders. BIM includes graphical data, geometry, in 3 dimensions, non-graphical data, properties and attributes of information, and record documentation, as required to demonstrate compliance with various regulations. All this data is held in a Common Data Environment, or CDE, which is an advanced form of an information model. Emerging technologies and information models. As digital data about buildings and infrastructure become more standardized, organized, structured, trustworthy, available and accessible, it opens up further opportunities to exciting newer and emerging technologies. 1. AI and machine learning. These technologies involve processing and analyzing data to make predictions, identify patterns, or automate decision-making. AI and machine learning often rely on information models to represent and structure the data they work with. 2. Digital twins. These are digital representation of a physical asset or system for simulation, analysis, and optimization, which are connected through sensors and IoT devices, the Internet of Things. They rely on information models to represent the characteristics, relationships, and behaviors of the physical entities they mirror. 3. Blockchain. While not directly an information model, blockchain utilizes data structures to represent transactions and other information in an open, transparent, decentralized and secure manner. 4. Metaverse. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of physical and digital reality. In the metaverse, information models are used to represent various objects, environments, that users can interactively experience through digital technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality or mixed reality, allowing people in AECO to collaborate in new and innovative ways. Conclusion. The main point of this video is to stress that the idea of information models itself is not new. They have always existed. However, the technologies that are available to produce and interact with these information models have evolved at a tremendous pace, particularly in the last 30 years. The use of information models in the AECO demonstrates the constant adaptation and transformation of communication methods and technologies to meet the needs of professionals working in AECO. As these new technologies emerge, information models will continue to evolve, providing more efficient and effective ways to plan, design, construct, maintain, and operate buildings and infrastructure. By understanding and embracing these communication technologies, the AECO sector can continue to innovate and improve the way they collaborate and make decisions, ultimately shaping the built environment of the future.